Hi, I am Pahulpreet Kaur from BBK DAV College, Amritsar. Today I am going to explain PES, photoelectron spectroscopy. Photoelectron spectroscopy works on the process of photoelectric effect. The photoelectric effect refers to the phenomena in which electrons are emitted from the surface of a metal when light strikes it. The characteristic features of photoelectric effect are as follows. Number 1, there is a specific threshold frequency mu0 to emit an electron from a metal surface. Number 2, below the threshold frequency, no electrons are emitted regardless of the intensity of the light. Number 3, for light with frequency mu greater than the threshold frequency, the number of electrons emitted increase with the intensity of the light. Number 4, the kinetic energy of the emitted electrons increases linearly with the frequency of the light used. Photoelectron spectroscopy can be defined as the technique in which radiation with enough energy can remove an electron from an atom or a molecule. It detects the kinetic energy of the electron escaped from the surface in order to determine the binding energies of the electrons. The photoelectron spectroscopy is further divided into two categories. Number 1, X-ray photoelectron spectroscopy, XPS, and number 2, ultraviolet photoelectron spectroscopy, UPS. The figure of X-ray photoelectron spectrometer is displayed in the poster. Its working is as follows. A beam of light is focused on a metal surface. The beam of light containing the threshold frequency further lets the electron of the metal surface emit out of its surface, which is further detected by a detector connected to it. The detector has an electron collecting lens through which the emission of the electron is observed, and the detector later gives the graphical representation of the emitted electron. The kinetic energy of the ejected electron is measured, and the energy required to remove the electron from the atom is calculated from the difference between the energy of the electron h mu and the kinetic energy of the photoelectron. The photoelectron spectroscopy generates the photoelectron spectrum of atoms or molecules. The spectra of calcium and potassium is displayed on the poster. The X-ray photoelectron spectroscopy is also known as electron spectroscopy for chemical analysis, is a widely used technique to investigate chemical compositions of a substance. It uses soft X-ray radiations to examine the core levels. It is used for solids, liquids, and gases, but has achieved prominence as an analytic technique for solid surfaces. X-ray photoelectron spectroscopy spectral lines are identified by the shell from which the electron was ejected. The ejected photoelectron has kinetic energy, which is given by a formula: kinetic energy equals to h mu minus Be minus phi. Following this process, the atom will release energy by the emission of an Auger electron. Ultraviolet photoelectron spectroscopy. Similar to X-ray photoelectron spectroscopy, but using vacuum UV radiation to examine valence levels. In ultraviolet photoelectron spectroscopy, source of radiation is normally a noble gas discharged lamp. Such radiation is only capable of ionizing electrons from the outermost level of atoms, the valence level. The advantage of using such UV radiations over X-rays is the very narrow line width of the radiation and the high flux of photons available from simple discharge sources. Thank you so much.